Jay Haynes with the Film Sensei YouTube channel. Today in this video, I will show how to make this super simple loading animation in HitFilm. So actually, this is a lot easier than you'd think it would be. I'm going to start by creating a second video track by right-clicking and saying Insert Track. So I have video 2 here. And then I'm going to add a grade layer. You can do that by using the hotkey Control, Alt, and G. And then I'm just going to extend this to the end of the clip so it snaps there. Now I could have done this also on the main video itself, but doing it on a grade layer gives you a lot more control. So with the grade layer highlighted, I'm going to come up here and I'm going to click on the freehand mask and hold that so that it brings up this drop down menu and select freehand path edit points instead of the mask. Then I'm just going to click where I want the loading animation to start, and I'll click roughly where I want the loading animation to end. And that's all I have to do to create where that loading animation is. From here, I'm going to go into my effects panel, and under Generate, I'm going to come down and find the vector stroke, dragging that into the grade layer itself. And you can see that this has changed the vector path. And now I'm just going to make a few adjustments to that here in the controls panel, starting with the fact that I'm going to change the color to be red first. Secondly, I want to adjust this width to something around like there. And then I will change caps. It could stay round if I want, but I'm just not going to have any caps at all, so they're sort of square on the end like this. When I'm happy with how this looks, then what I will do is I will right-click on this and duplicate it. And then on the duplicate, I'm going to go ahead and change the color, in this case, to green. Now, End has a little slider here, and if I move that slider, you can see that basically it's just covering the green over the top of the red stroke. So I'm going to start it at 0 and set a keyframe. And then I will bring this to the end of my timeline, and from here I will go ahead and extend that to 100%. And it's really that simple. So if you have any questions, leave them in the comments below. Otherwise, thanks for watching.